Well, hello, old dearies. It's me, Agnes Smith, Nomadic Fanatic's #1 fan. In this video, Eric's RV Frida won't start, and he enlists his buddies to take time out of their day to help him. Exciting! Let's watch! Hi guys, you saw the thumbnail. The RV won't start. I have no idea what's going on. Even though I've been driving and living in an RV for over a decade, something basic like replacing an alternator should be a non-issue. The fact that I can't diagnose and remedy an alternator problem should be a concern to my entire fan base, as my large YouTube channel would imply that I'm an expert in nomadic travel. Oh well. I've called my friends John and Steven to take 4 hours out of their day to come help me. It sure helps to have friends. After watching another man remove and install a brand new alternator, we're back in business. Bye guys. My little cherub is too delicate to handle mechanics work. Have a blessed day, old dearies. For Nomadic Fanatic's #1 fan. Be sure to like and subscribe.